Where are we going? You don't know? It's midnight and GB is taking vacuum cleaner. Where are we going, GB?
To a house.
To a house? Spooky house? You're going to spooky house? We're going to spooky house. It's midnight, guys. No, GB, are you not scared? Mommy's scared. Are you not scared? GB's gone, guys. Look, it's so dark. There's no one outside. And there's GB. My God, it's spooky. GB's there, hoovering. So now we're doing, Mommy's helping GB because it's really hard to do hoover. Yes.
I'm gonna do the little bit. Mommy,
Over there. We're done with the cleaning. Yes, GB?
Yeah.
And now we're just packing the hoover up. GB's done, guys. Ooh. Oh my God.
Soon as we go to sleep, there's a bug inside the Dyson.
Ooh.